Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes children, are you fine? Yes, so now let's start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take a social science book. All of you take a social science book and social science class work, homework, pencil, eraser, everything. Take children, take fast. Have you taken? Have you taken children? Yes, so now today the revision is going on. Yes or no children? So from the last class we have started our revision. Yes or no children? From the first lesson, Kingdoms of River. So in this lesson, already in the previous class we know about the Sangam age, Tamil kingdoms of Sangam age. After that to know about Cheras. Yes or no children? So in the previous class we have started our revision. So in previous class we learnt about, we recall about Tamil kingdoms of Sangam age and to know about Cheras. Yes or no? So today we are going to recall about the topics Cholas. So every day few topics we will recall and we will write the revision classwork and homework. Okay children? So all of you very careful. Okay, so every day you should study. Okay children? Then only you will get 100 marks. Okay. So every day you should study. I will give 1 or 2 questions only every day. Okay, so you should study every day. Okay children? Okay. So now today we will recall about the topics Chola's kingdom. Chola's kingdom. So already in the previous class we recall about the topics Chera's kingdom. Yes or no children? Yes. So today we are going to recall about the topics Chola's kingdom. Okay, so see the picture children, you can see the slide, we can understand easily. Okay, so listen. Chola's capital was Urayur. Okay, so all the state we have a capital. Yes or no children? Now we have a capital. In Tamil Nadu we have Chennai is the capital. Yes or no? So like that the Asian period, the Sangam age also they have a capital. They have a capital. So like that Chola's capital was Urayur. Chola's capital was Urayur along the river Kaveri. So Chola's country near the river Kaveri. Okay, so Chola's capital was Urayur along the river Kaveri. Next port was Kaveri Pumbettinam. So port means, you know children, Thuraimugam. Port means துறைமுகம். வாணிபம்லாம் நடக்கும்ல, கப்பல் மூலமாக ஒரு நாட்டில் உள்ள பொருளை இன்னொரு நாட்டுக்கு ஏற்றுமதி இறக்குமதிலாம் பண்ணுவாங்களடா, எக்ஸ்போர்ட் அண்டு இம்போர்ட். ஸோ தட் இஸ் த போர்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ போர்ட் மீன்ஸ் துறைமுகம். கப்பல்கள்லாம் வந்து நிற்கும்ல, ஸோ தேட் பிளேஸ் ஒன்லி வி வில் கால் போர்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ போர்ட் வாஸ் காவேரி பூம்பட்டினம் பிகாஸ் த ரிவர், த சோலாஸ் ரிவர் பேங்க் இஸ் காவேரி. எஸ், ஸோ காவேரி பூம்பட்டினம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு இடத்துல இருக்கக்கூடியதான் சோலாஸோட ஃபோர்ட், துறைமுகம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் சிம்பிள் ரீப்ரசன்ட் டைகர். டைகர் இஸ் த symbol of Cholas. Okay children, so have you understood? Have you understood? So Chola's capital was Urayur along the river Kaveri. Then fort was Kaveri Pumbettinam. Symbol represents tiger. Okay children, have you understood clear? Next, Chola's kingdom comprised the district of Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukkottai, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kudalur. Okay, so these are the places, Chola's kingdom. Okay children, so say the place name. The Chola's kingdom comprised district of Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukkottai, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur and Kadalur. Okay, so these are the places, Chola's kingdom. Okay, next Cholanadu is famous for rice. Cholanadu is famous for rice. So Cholanadla rice அதிகமாக கிடைக்கும். So Cholanadu is famous for rice and also Cholanadu சோறுடைத்து. So Cholanadu சோறுடைத்து அப்படின்னு பட்டினப்பாலை ஒரு நூலில் சோழநாடு ஃபேமஸ் ரைஸ் அப்படின்ட்டு குறிப்பிட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ சோழநாடு சோறுடைத்து அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இன் சோழா கிங்டம் the Karigala Cholan. Do you know? Did you see the picture, children? Did you please see the picture? Karigala Cholan? Yes. So the greatest ruler. All of you see the picture. In this picture, you see he is the Karigala Cholan. He is the Karigala Cholan. So he is the greatest ruler among the Cholas period. Cholas kingdom. Okay. So Karigalan Cholan is the greatest ruler among the Cholas kingdom. So Cholas kingdom lave greatest ruler nalla famous ana or king yaar appadina Karigala Cholan. Karigala Cholan. Okay children. Next, why he was called as Karigalan? Do you know children? Already we learnt about this. Yes or no? So now once recall. Okay, so why he was called as Karigalan? Already I said this story. Yes or no children? Yes or no? Yes. So now listen. When Karigalan was very young, he was captured by his enemies and imprisoned. So the room in which he was arrested was set on fire. In this fire accident, his beach burned. Due to his chariot leg, he was called as Karigalan. So why he was called as Karigalan? So Karigala Cholan, young, very young age. Okay, avarodu young man. Okay, சின்ன வயதான வயசுலே அவர் நினைச்சிட்டாரு அரசராயிட்டார். Okay, so Karigala Cholan was very young. Okay, so on that time he was captured by his enemies. So அவரோட எனிமியால அவர் என்ன செஞ்சாரு, பிடிபட்டார்க. எனிமி அவரை தோற்கடிச்சிட்டாங்க. எனிமிஸ்லாம் அவரை தோற்கடிச்சு அவரை சிறைப்பிடிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஓகே, இம்ப்ரெஸ்டுனா சிறைப்பிடித்தல், இம்ப்ரெசன்ட்னா சிறைப்பிடிச்சிட்டாங்க. சிறைப்பிடிச்சு சிறையில் அடைச்சிருப்பாங்களா, தோற்கடிச்சவங்கள நம்ம சிறையில் கொண்டு அடைச்சிருவோம்லடா, அந்த மாதிரி சிறையில் அடைச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அந்த சிறையில் அடைச்ச அந்த ரூம் என்ன ஆயிட்டு, ஃபயர் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகே, which he was arrested was set on fire. So that room was fired, set on fire. In this fire accident his beach burned. Okay, so அந்த fire accidentல அவரோட கால் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, எரிஞ்சிட்டு. ஓகே, ஃபயர் ஆயிடுச்சு, அவரோட காலில் ஃபயர் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ டியூ டு ஹிஸ் சேரியட் லெக், ஸோ அவரோட லெக் என்ன செஞ்சுட்டு ஃபயர் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ அதனால் அவரோட லெக் எரிஞ்சிட்டு. ஓகே, ஸோ அதனால் இவரோட நேம் கரிகாலன், கரிகால சோழன், கரிகால சோழன் அப்படின்ட்டு சேஞ்ச் ஆயிட்டு. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், have you understood? Have you understood clear? Yes. So why he was called as Karigalan? When Karigalan was very young, he was captured by his enemies and imprisoned. The room in which he was arrested was set on fire. So in this fire accident his beach burned. Due to his chariot leg he was called as Karigalan. So only he was called as Karigalan. Okay children, have you understood? Have you understood why he was called as Karigalan? Have you understood children? Yes. Next, did you remember this? Do you know children Kallanai Dam? Do you know Kallanai Dam? Did you went? Did you go there? Did you go there Kallanai Dam? Yes. So Kallanai Dam was constructed by the Chola king Karigalan in the 2nd century BC. So Kallanai Dam யார் கட்டினாங்க, கரிகால சோழன். Okay, so Kallanai was constructed by the Chola king Karigalan. Okay, so Kallanai was built by Chola kingdoms. Okay children, so it is the oldest dam in the world. It is the oldest dam in the world, still in use. Okay, so இதுதான் வேர்ல்டுலேயே இருக்கக்கூடிய பழைய கால ஒரு டேம். Okay children, Kallanai Dam is the oldest dam in the world, still in use. So இப்போவும் அதை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கோம். Okay children, so Kallanai Dam was built by Karigala Solan. Okay, 2nd century BC. Okay, so it is the oldest dam in the world, still in use. Okay, okay children, have you understood? So have you understood children about Karigala Chola's kingdom? Yes. Next, Pandya's kingdom we will learn our next day class. Okay children. Okay, so today topic Chera's kingdom. So have you understood? Have you understood children? Clear? Yes. So now all of you take your social classwork notes. We are going to write our classwork, revision classwork. So take children, take your social classwork notes. Have you taken children? Have you taken social classwork? Yes. So already in the previous class we have written some revision classwork. Yes or no? Choose the correct answer and fill ups. Yes? Yes or no children? Did you write? Yes. So now all of you write first of all today date and day. First of all write today date and day, and then start to write today revision classwork. Okay? Write true or false. Write true or false. Write true or false. Have you written? Yes. So first one, number 1, Chera's capital city was Vanji. Chera's capital city was Vanji. So first letter should be capital, end must put full stop. Okay children? One sentence end you must put full stop. Okay? Chera's capital city was Vanji. So answer, Chera's capital city was Vanji. Yes? Yes or no children? Vanji is the capital of Chera's. Yes? So it is the correct sentence. So answer true. Okay? Next second. The flag of Pandyas was peacock. The flag of Pandyas was peacock. So peacock is correct? No. Yes? Wrong. So Pandya's flag was fish. Yes? So but even peacock. So wrong answer. Okay, so the flag of Pandyas was peacock is wrong. Okay, so this sentence is wrong. So false. Okay, so the flag of Pandyas was fish, but here given peacock. So it is wrong sentence. Okay, so false. Okay children, did you write? Yes. Next, the third Tamil Sangam was held in Ramanathapuram. So already in the previous class I said this. Yes? We learnt about this. Yes or no children? The third Tamil Sangam was held in which place? Which place the? Yes, Madurai. Yes, the third Sangam, Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai. But here given Ramanathapuram. The third Tamil Sangam was held in Ramanathapuram, like that. So it is wrong sentence. Yes or no children? So false. Okay. Next, fourth one, leave one line and write fourth one. Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai. So do you know children, Meenakshi Amman temple is in Madurai. Okay. So true. This sentence is correct. True. Next, fifth one, Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called Moovendargal. Okay, so Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called Moovendargal. So true. Okay, Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called Moovendargal. Okay children, so it is true. This sentence is correct. So it is true. Okay, did you write 5 true or false? Yes. So now all of you listen children. I am going to read. After that you will read. Okay. So listen. Chera's capital city was Vanji. True. The flag of Pandyas was peacock. False. The third Tamil Sangam was held in Ramanathapuram. False. Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai. True. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called Moovendargal. True. Okay children, can you read? Again one time I will read. Listen children. Cheras capital city was Vanchi. Cheras capital city was Vanchi. True. Next second, the flag of Pandyas was peacock. False. The flag of Pandyas was fish. Yes, but here given peacock. So it is false. Next third one, the third Tamil Sangam was held in Ramanathapuram. The third Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai, but here given Ramanathapuram. So it is wrong sentence. So false. Okay. Next, Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai. True. Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai. True. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called Moovendargal. True. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called Moovendargal. True. Okay children. Did you write 5? Can you read now? Read all of you. Read children. Read with me. Cheras capital was Vanchi. The flag of Pandyas was peacock. False. The third Tamil Sangam was held in Ramanathapuram. False. Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai. True. Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas were called Moovendargal. Okay, true. Okay children, can you read? Yes. Okay children, that is enough. That is the class for today. Next, write homework. Okay, so all of you take a social homework note. All of you take a social homework note. So already in the previous class I gave 2 question answers. Yes or no children? Already in the previous class homework I gave 2 question answers. So did you write children? Did you write correct answer? Did you study? I said to study and write. Yes or no children? Study first of all, study the class, see the classwork and study. After that I said to write the homework in the homework note. Yes or no children? Like that I said. Yes. So have you did that? Yes. I hope you have studied this 2 question answer. Yes or no children? So now once we will check the answer. Okay. If you write wrong answer, you have to rub and write again. Okay. So for the first question in previous class homework, you take the previous class homework, check that. Okay. Answer the question. So first question, who were the greatest kings among the Cheras? Who were the greatest kings among the Cheras? Who were the greatest king among the Cheras? Say children. Yes, answer Imayavaramban Nedunjeraladan. Imayavaramban Nedunjeraladan. Imayavaramban Nedunjeraladan and Seran Senguttuvan. Okay. Imayavaramban Nedunjeraladan and Seran Senguttuvan were the greatest kings among the Cheras. You need to study the spelling clearly. Okay. Imayavaramban. Okay. You like study like this. Okay. Imaya. Imaya. Ram. Ban. Imayavaramban. Okay. Nedunjeraladan. Nedun. Nedun. CHE say RALALATHAN Ladan. Okay. Nedunjeraladan. You have to study like this. Okay children. Then only you can get knowledge. Okay. Then only you can write easily. Okay children. The spelling you can study easily. Okay. So you have to study like that. Okay. So Imayavaramban Nedunjeraladan. Okay. And Seran Senguttuvan. So that also like that. CHE say RAN run Senguttuvan, S-E-N, Seng, G-U-Q, double T-U, it, 2-V-A-N, Senguttuvan. Okay, Imaya Varamban, Nedunjeralathan, and Seran Senguttuvan were the greatest kings among the Cheras. So who were the greatest king among the Cheras? Imaya Varamban, Nedunjeralathan, and Seran Senguttuvan were the greatest kings among the Cheras. Okay children, did you write correctly like this? Did you write? எல்லாரும் படிச்சு எழுதி பாத்தீங்களா? Study and write. Okay children, don't copy. The homework you should study and write. Okay children, hereafter the revision is going on. Yes, so hereafter you should study every day. Okay children, study and write the answers. Okay, don't copy the answer. Okay children, so all are very good children. Yes, so every day you should study. Okay children, then only you will get 100 marks. Okay, the next question. Next is second question. Which was the capital of Cheras? Which was the capital of Cheras? So Vanji was the capital of Cheras. Vanji was the capital of Cheras. V-A-N-1-J-E-G. Vanji. Vanji was the capital of Cheras. So very easy. Yes or no children? Did you study these two question answers? Did you study children? Yes. So every day you should study and write the homework. Okay, don't copy. Hereafter don't copy anything. Okay, you have to study every day. Study and write the homework. Okay children? Okay children, so now all of you write today homework. First of all, write today date and day. Write today date and day. Write neatly children. Answer the question. Answer the questions. So the first question, which was the capital of Cholas? Which was the capital of Cholas? So you are going to write which was the capital of Cholas. Okay, so answer next line. You need to write the answers next line. Okay children, write the capital name, Cholas capital name. Okay, next leave one line and write second question. Who was the greatest ruler among the Cholas kingdom? Who was the greatest ruler among the Cholas kingdom? Who was the greatest ruler among the Cholas kingdom? Okay children, so these two question answers today homework. Okay, you have to find the answers from the book. Okay, and write the answer correctly. Okay children, so this is the homework today. You have to study and write. Don't copy. Okay, you have to study the spelling properly and write the answers in the homework note. Okay, hereafter you don't copy anything. Okay children, every day you should study and write the answers in your homework note. Okay, if you write wrongly once, you need to study again and write again. Okay children, in the homework note also, if you write wrongly, you have to study again and write the answer. Okay children, so have to follow. Okay, then only you will get 100 marks. Okay children, do you want 100 marks? Yes, so every day you should study and write the homeworks. Okay, so and also in classwork note I gave 5 true or false. Yes or no children? So that also you study today. Okay, so today homework and today classwork you study every day like that. Okay children? Okay, next then the remaining chapter we will learn our next class. Okay, so have a nice day. Every day you should study. Okay children? Then we will see our next day class. Okay.